Hey guys, if you don't know, I do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today, I'm gonna walk you through a job that we did. The guy had a problem. It was a cast iron sewer line, 40 foot under a brand new driveway, and they did not want to cut it up. So cabling, hydrojetting proved that they needed to do something, and we came up with the solution of pipelining. NuFlow pipelining is what we did. I'm going to show you the before and after shots. So let's take a look inside this pipe, guys. We have a 40 to 50 foot run of cast iron here. You're going to see the top of the pipe is actually dripping water from the groundwater from above outside the pipe. This is all compromised. About 40, 50 feet of 4-inch cast under new concrete. Opted for a jet, descale, and a liner, and we going to go ahead and do that, but we want to show you what we did here as far as here's the condition of the pipe. You're going to see the scale, the clog spots, and just the condition of it and why it was causing clogs. And this pipe is probably 50 to 60 years old, maybe more, and they never changed it when they renovated or built this duplex. Now, moving forward, you're going to see there's definitely some cracks that are barely visible. And when we descale it, it will expose them cracks. Right now we're pulling back to entry point at the curb, and you can see again the water coming through, which is kind of odd, you know. And now we're going to go ahead and descale and prep for the liner.
That's fine. We'll get a little bit. Go ahead. Yep. All right. Right now, just go and get there, and then once I'm there, when I come back, I'm going nice and slow.
Oh, you know what we should have done?
Measured it?
Yeah, measured it out here. Like 42 feet.
Wait, stop?
Measure it 42
stop?
Stop, sorry.
No, you go. Alright.
I'm going to put the light up.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm definitely close. I'm going to keep coming towards you. After the first chain knock and after the first hydrojet, already looking 10 times better. Real smooth on the side. You can see the crack. We exposed the crack on the top left. The line is going to take care of. I'm not even coming here with hydrojet again, just with all the scale on the sides. We'll hit the sanding head as well. But pushing through all that scale on the bottom of the pipe. Hydrojet's gonna get that. Just wanna make sure I didn't miss any crazy things with the chain knocker. Yeah, so I see how I did this. I guess I gotta just get that. I gotta get this 12 feet right here before, because it's hard to get that 45. So that's why this pipe's so much cleaner, because I was actually able to suction it down.
After that 45.
Yeah, because I was able to whip it.
And there's the other 45.
Yep. There's the scale on the bottom of this, so I'll have to work that. I think we'll go with that chain knocker head, Shark.
Okay.
Let's take the big head, the big sanding head off the big machine.
Oh, okay.
And we'll switch it to this one.
Okay.
See how this is going towards the street now. As you can see the little crack on the left side. This is the final look of the pipe before we begin prepping the liner. We're going to set about a 22-foot liner in this line today. Should get us right past first 45. As you can see, the sides are all cleaned up. Air skin down. No water sitting. She's looking pretty. Ready for action. And 22 feet would bring us about 2 feet past that 90. I mean that 45. As you can see, there's even a little crack on that right side, man. We got that. Well, this is from the clean out in the front yard. Now this is going towards the house. Our ABS to NuFlow connection. We bounce up. You push up here. You roll this cast iron 45, and you switch over right to PVC and PVC. For the rest of the way. No more cast iron in the existing line. This is from the clean out we installed in the front yard. This is going out towards the street. Our ABS to a NuFlow connection. Line down your first pipe here. You're gonna hit a 45 here shortly.
Put it back up in here, you're good.
Already 45.
No, we're good. I got that. I'll sweep all this.
A little bit of sand will wash it away. This is from the sander.
Hey Chuck, you put this over there. This goes to that one so I put my notes. You gotta get some type of knapsack.
And it's right to the clean out at the street. It's right above us, dropping in from above.
There you have it, folks. You know, we try to do the right thing, and you know, unfortunately, this guy got caught with a bad sewer. Fortunate for him, it was a duplex, and he could split the bill with his partner next door. But the moral of the story is, if you're going to do a renovation or if you're going to do a new driveway, check out what you got in the ground. Check out what you got in the wall, all right? You will save a ton of money down the road. Trust me. All right, we'll see you at the next one, guys. Have a good one.